All right, so in this video, we're going to graph this quadratic in standard form. I guess we'll try to follow the same format as we have before. So we'll start with the y-intercept. Now, when you find the y-intercept, you just plug in 0 for x. So this goes away, that goes away, and you're just left with 1. So it's really easy to find the y-intercept, right? It's always just that c term. All right, next we'll do the vertex. This is the one where it's a little more involved, all right? So to find the vertex, this will tell us the x coordinate of the vertex, just that x part. So we'll do negative b over 2a. A is 1, and b is that negative 4 there. So negative of a negative b is going to be a positive 4 over 2 times a, so 2 times 1 is just 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the x coordinate is 2, and then to find the y coordinate, you're just going to plug that 2 back in for x up here. Okay, so that's going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1. Well, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 1 is going to be negative 3. All right. All right, so if we know the vertex, then we also know the axis of symmetry. That's going to be x equals 2. And we can also figure out the range. Okay. Because we knew that a was positive, we know that this parabola is going to open up, and it has a minimum at negative 3. All right, so the vertex in this case represents a minimum because it's opening up. So the range is going to be negative 3 on to infinity, or y is greater than or equal to negative 3. All right. All right, we probably ought to graph what we have here so far. So we've got a vertex at 2 comma negative 3. So that'll be 2. This can be negative 3. Okay, we got a y-intercept of 1. So we can draw that. All right. We know it's going to be opening up. Now, what I want to do is I want to pick an x value close to my vertex here. So close to 2. I could do 3, or I could do this way and go 1. I think I'll just do 1. So I'm going to find f of 1 in this case. So I'm just going to be plugging in 1 for x. All right, that's going to be 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So I know that at 1, the value is going to be negative 2 for my y value. All right, so that's going to be somewhere in that neighborhood right there. Okay. Now I can use my axis of symmetry to plot the other points, the reflections here. So from there, I could plot that point. From here, I could plot that one over here. And we are not going to be bothering with the x-intercepts on this one. We'll just sketch the curve. All right. And that'll be good enough.